Hey guys, so I haven't done YouTube in ages, but I thought I'd get back into it. So I'm going to do a little quick review here of the September beauty box by Lookfantastic. It's called The Celebration of Beauty and it's got, I think it's 6 items in there. There's a subscription basis for the product. You can sign up for just 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months or 12 months I think, and the subscription price gets cheaper the longer you sign up for. You don't have to pay in advance. If you signed up for 12 months then you still just pay each time your box is ready, so you still only pay it on a monthly basis, but just because you're committing to a longer period that it's cheaper. There is a referral code which I'll get to pop on the screen. This will only work if you've not shopped with Lookfantastic before, and it can save you £5 off the beauty box. I shall pop that up there. First of all, the box itself, it's all recyclable materials, and you've got this really nice, it's a bit like a shoe box, but it's really good rigid quality, so you can use it to keep your products in afterwards, or you can put other little goodies in there, so you don't, it's almost too good to throw away. So first of all, you get the lovely beauty box edit magazine that comes with it. So not only does it go through the products you've got in there, it gives you a few little fun facts. It's like a little nice read as well. You've got what's in the box, then there's some facts about Panthenol, there's a little introduction to the Christmas range that Lookfantastic are doing, there's a behind the theme of the box all about the celebration of beauty, a little bit of TikTok trending items, and then there's a sneak peek of what's coming up in the October box. So I'll go straight into what's in the box. This is a little showing you what you've got here. So I shall go into each product one by one. Right, so the first item, I shall read it in the order that we've got on here. We've got here this product here, which is the Ameliorate, and this is the smoothing body exfoliant, and the size of this is, it's 50 ml. This is for bodies, I think, yeah, it's not face. Specially formulated to combat keratosis pilaris, and in brackets this says the bumpy chicken skin, that texture that often shows up on the backs of arms and legs. So sometimes, you know, like here you can get like a little bit bobbly bits, and you can get it on your thighs and things like that. So this moisturiser is the secret to smooth and supple skin. So this says it's got lactic acid, shea butter and coconut oil, and it says massage into dry skin thoroughly 2 to 3 times a week just before rinsing in the bath or the shower. So that will give you, especially if you like, you know, you want to sort of tan and go out somewhere, it's going to get rid of any sort of bumps, lumps and bumps, and just help exfoliate those off your skin. Right, next item. I've got here this liquid eyeliner. This is a brown one, so it's nice. We don't get many brown eyeliners that are liquid. It's like a felt tip pen. I'll just show you here what the nib looks like. Pigmented, easy to use liquid pen eyeliner, perfect for achieving a wide range of liner looks from cat eyes to graphic lines. So there's a new like trend which I can't do very well because I think it's because I've got old eyes, where you extend the corner of your eye. It's like a fox eye. And these kind of pen tips here are really good for these. Long lasting, quick drying and smudge free. Right, next item here, you've got this here, which is a Beauty Pro brightening sheet mask. So this in here has got collagen, vitamin C and aloe vera, and this will brighten your complexion, improve elasticity and targets fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, next product here, we've got this Christoph Robin, and this is an intense hair mask which is infused with 98% natural ingredients to lock in the moisture and leave you with luminous locks, ideal for dry, brittle hair. This size is 40 ml, and it's free from parabens and sulfates. It's got the ingredients, it's got aloe vera and citric acid, and this says apply a small amount in your damp hair, leave on for up to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Now, next product here, we have got this product here, which is SVR. I'm going to struggle to say that, but I will attempt it. Palperbral cream, high hyaluronic acid and omega-3, 6 and 9. And this is a calming and soothing eye cream that will provide your delicate eye area with up to 24 hours of hydration. Its velvet texture helps to reduce the redness and irritation for a more comfortable eye area. Using your ring finger, gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone twice a day. Last but not least, I've got this product here, which is a nourishing lip balm enriched with By Terry's signature formula. So this is perfect for softening your pout while adding enviable shine. Inside it's got shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E, and you can wear it on its own or over the top of lipstick. So yeah, we had 1, 2, 3, I think that was 6, wasn't it? 4, 5, 6. We have 6 products, so that's pretty decent for the price. They're quite decent sized products as well. Then we've got a little article on panthenol. Now there's a little sneak peek. Well, actually there's not a sneak peek. You can't see the products in there, but it's a little discussion about the Christmas range. Now there is an advent calendar for Lookfantastic. If you are following me on Instagram, which I highly recommend you do, because I do run a cosmetics competition every month. Sometimes like things like these beauty boxes, there are things that I will use and there are things that I will keep completely sealed, and I'll keep those as part of like some of the goodies that I give away each month. If you keep your eyes peeled, there will possibly be the Lookfantastic advent calendar. If I can get my grubby little paws on one, there might be one to win. So yeah, keep your eye out on my Instagram for that next competition. They've also got a beauty chest, a festive edit. Yeah, the beauty chest has got 13 of Lookfantastic's most luxurious offerings, all in one place, worth £350. So wow, these are things to put on your Christmas list for your hubby or your boyfriend or girlfriend or whoever you want to be treating you, or even for yourself, you know. So yeah, a little bit about the celebration of beauty and where that origins from. A little bit about the TikTok trends that are going on. A little TikTok hack, little sneak peek about what's coming in October. It looks like we've got Mere Body Cream 70ml, and that is for ultra soft skin with a lovely orange fragrance. That itself is worth £10. So, and also these are limited edition boxes that are coming up. One here is the Lookfantastic Luxe collection, and that's got 9 products inside, featuring brands like NARS, Shiseido and Laura Mercier. And the one at the bottom is a Neon limited edition. They do like, I think it's bath and body and candles, do they? Hand balms, pillow mists and scented candles. So yeah, those are coming up in future boxes. So yeah, pretty impressed with my first box so far. Looking forward to see what comes up in October. Are you a Lookfantastic Beauty Box member? Do you find it's good value for money? Leave your comments down below. I would like to know your opinions. Like I said, I'm a complete noob on the Lookfantastic beauty boxes, but I am quite a pro on the boxes in general, so I kind of know the kind of things that people tend to get for boxes, and I think this one does seem pretty good value for money. But do let me know if you've had some boxes that are especially good, or ones that you've been a bit disappointed with. Let me know in the comments.